How to convert Roblox credit to Robux. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. After you open Roblox, make sure you're logged into your account. Then, you'll find the Roblox icon at the top right. If you click on the Roblox icon at the top right, you'll only find a way to simply purchase Robux. So open any browser and click on roblox.com/redeem. It will lead you to this page. Here at the bottom, you'll find available credit and convert to Robux. So simply click on convert to Robux. And after you do that, you can go back to your app and you will find the credit converted into Robux. And this is how to convert Roblox credit to Robux. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.